Hi everyone, this is ryce.jiyoon and welcome back to my channel. Guys, before nag-lockdown, nag-order ako sa Lazada ng mga products, and kahit nung lockdown na nag-order pa rin ako, and ngayon sunod-sunod na silang dumating. So yes, I want to share with you guys kung ano yung mga binili ko dahil nagde-deliver na ang Lazada ngayon. And I will also give you tips on how to buy online. So, para iwas dun sa mga theft at saka sa mga scammers. Okay? So, now I have 4 pouches here.
So, this is the first pouch that was delivered, guys. Alright. So, yeah, these are makeup brushes that I ordered from Mange. Okay? Should I call it Mange official store? So, these are makeup brushes. It's a set, guys. So, yeah, here it is. So, yeah, meron siyang yung dalawa lang may protector. So, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. It's one set of makeup brushes. Ganda siya, guys, no? Ganda. See? It's very elegant. So, this cost me, asa na ba? Wait. Ayan. Yeah, this one cost me, with shipping fee na, guys, it's 293 pesos. Okay, then let's open the next one. Where's number 2? Ay, yeah, I put numbers on it so that I would know. Okay, so, ayan. Ito yung isa. This is from Vein Stain Cosmetics. I think, I don't know. It's cost M. Right? So, yeah. This cost 290 pesos. And, yes, this guys is a mask. So, I ordered it during, sa bagay, lockdown pa naman ngayon. It's waterproof, guys. It's cloth, but it's waterproof. So, yeah, this is it. It's in different colors. So, this is a cloth protective mask. Washable and reusable protective face mask. 8, 9. 10 pieces, guys. 10 pieces of waterproof mask. And it's reusable. So, let's try one. Let's wear it. Okay. It's good. It cost me 290, including shipping na yun. Alright? So, ayan. Okay, next one. Okay, this is from 3C Shop. Let's open it and let's see what's inside. Is this? Oh, alright, okay. These are in pods, guys. Okay. So, yeah, I got 2. So, let's open it. It's sealed, guys. It sealed siya. Sealed. Yung color na kinuha ko. Let's see. Oh my God. Did I order pink? Or maybe it's mine. Okay. So, yeah. It's pink. Okay. And there's a cable. Alright. Instruction manual. Ayan. This is in pastel pink. Ang cute naman. So, let's open the second one. This one, I think, is black or white, maybe. Let's see. Sige, kayo na unang titingin. Oops. Oh, it's white. It's white. Alright. Okay, so dainty. So, done with the last pouch. In-order ko to sa, ano itong sa, dali lang guys, di ko mabasa. Booms and Sari Sari. So, try natin. Let's open it. Ayan, nag-order ako guys ng mali. Yeah, the fourth one is the rejuvenating set. So, nag-order po ako. I just want to try this rejuvenating set of Skin Magical. So, sa Lazada or Shopee na lang tayo makakabili, or kung yung may mga needs tayo, so pwede tayong mag-order online. But yes guys, we have to be careful in ordering online kasi hindi po lahat ng sellers ay honest, hindi po lahat ng sellers ay sabihin natin legit sellers. Okay, so I am giving you tips on how to choose a store or a seller to order. Okay, unang-una, okay, pag nag-order ka sa any online store, you have to read the title and the description of the product. Mag-order ka ng, let's say, tripod. Yung tripod na pang selfie. Okay? Or a gimbal. Okay? So, nandun, nakalagay dun sa picture, may gimbal. Pero ang binibenta pala niya, yung connection, yung i-connect mo sa gimbal, yung nasa baba. Okay? So, all along, yung bumili doon, akala niya, yung gimbal ang darating. Nagulat na lang siya, yung ilalim lang pala ng gimbal. Okay, so you have to read guys. Huwag kayong tamarin na magbasa. Basahin nyo kung ano yun, ano yung description, kung ano talaga yung binibenta ng seller. And then secondly, i-check nyo yung mga reviews. Okay, kung meron ng mga bumili. Yun yung importante doon. So, you have to check the reviews guys. Kasi yung doon sa review, makikita mo doon kung ano yung binibenta, kung anong quality, anong klase yung binibenta ng seller. If you see good reviews sa product na yun, then that's the time that you can also buy, you can also order online. Okay? Ngayon, let's say merong out of 10 reviews, meron tayong 2 review na hindi maganda. Okay? So you have also to know kung ano yung sinasabi nila na hindi maganda. It's baka naman yung preference lang nila, or 'di ba, minsan yung iba maarte lang yung iba sa totoo lang. Okay, you have to think and make sure na legit din yung kanilang sinasabi, kasi makikita mo naman let's say dun sa 10, 2 ang hindi magandang review, tapos yung 8 puro magandang review. Okay, so basahin mo rin lahat yung 8 na review, kasi baka mamaya yung sinabi na hindi maganda nung isa, merong justification doon sa mga nag-review na doon sa 8. Okay, ayan. Pero, pag talagang yung review niya, yung 2 review na yun is hindi talaga maganda. Okay? The tendency is, if you buy on that store, okay, there's a 50-50% na yung magbibigay sa'yo defective or kung ano man yung kinomplain nung 2 na hindi magandang review. Okay? So, pag ganon, it's up to you. Okay? You are taking the risk. Okay? So, kung ako kasi, pag may nakita kong kahit 1 or 2 na hindi magandang review at nakita ko naman na totoo naman talaga yung review nila, kasi let's say may pinakita mga pictures, hindi ako mag-order. But it's still up to you. Thirdly, i-check mo yung store ng seller. So, meron doon visit store, or pwede mo siyang scroll up, nandun sa pinakababa yung name ng store, kung sino yung nagbebenta ng product na yun. Okay? Meron siyang ratings doon guys. Okay? Meron doon positive seller ratings kung ilang %. Meron din yung sa shipping kung ilang % din yung ratings niya. And then, meron din doon chat response rate. So, kung gaano ka-responsive yung seller. Fourthly, always guys, pag bumibili kayo online, always order on a COD. Okay? So, cash on delivery lagi yan. Alright? Kasi, kung ano man mangyayari dun sa the shipment, let's say, nawala yung product, okay, hindi mo binayaran. Okay? Pero pag bayad mo yun at nawala yung product, wala nang ang seller dun. Kasi it's the shipping company na. Meron din mga stores kasi sa Lazada or kahit sa Shopee, meron mga stores na wala pang bumili. Alright? So, syempre doon walang mga reviews. Okay? So, it's up to you kung bibili ka or hindi, kasi ang hirap na walang review. Pero I advise, kung bibili ka sa store na yun, siguro yung mga worth 100, yung mga mura lang, okay nang bumili. Pero if worth 1,000 or 2,000, mga ganon, so hindi talaga ako mag-order. Okay, so yun, parang maging lang din tayo, maging meticulous lang din talaga sa pagbili, lalo sa online. So, always be careful and always check these tips that I told you before you order online, guys. Okay? Para iwas sa scam. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. So see you again on my next vlog. Bye!